Hello my friends, welcome back to another episode of Tech About. Today in this video I just want to show you how to install this kind of programs to MacBook. So when I just want to install, you can see this application cannot be started right from a DMG file. So how to install this kind of application to MacBook is very easy. Just follow up. Let me screenshot this part and I'm just going to show you how we can do it. It's very easy. Close this or just put it like this, then open up the Finder in your MacBook, then go on applications. So you're gonna get back to application you just want to install it. So keep press on it and drop it over here on application, and it will be installed like this. And this is the shortest way about how we can install this kind of apps to MacBook. So when I just open it, it will work and I can just use this in my MacBook. So let me open it. Here we go. Here you can see I can use it now. So this is all about how to install this kind of apps to MacBook. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Until next week, till videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.